Hello. Okay, today I'm going to share with you the origin, the reason behind every conflict, every hot argument, every fight, and every war between people, communities, countries, anywhere. So let's talk about it. We humans have been blessed with five senses. Okay, like our sense of seeing, our sense of smell, our sense of hearing, our sense of taste, and our sense of touch. These five senses actually collect data from around the world we are living in. It collects data and it straight away takes that data to our brain. Our brain actually does three things with that data. It generalizes it. Like, for example, we see a tree. So instead of going to the detail of that tree, we see our brain just imagine, okay, there are trees. Okay, trees and trees mean green things, something like that. Trees. It actually deletes some of the information. Like, for example, we see a bunch of people, so we don't focus on every individual. We just see there are so many people. So our brain actually takes that whole picture of it and it takes over there. This is, and our some of the pictures are actually distorted. Like, for example, we see something, it's not clear, but our brain actually imagines that thing, so it takes in that data. These five senses collect data, and it takes that particular data to our mainframe. Our mainframe, on the basis of the experiences that we had achieved so far, the grooming, the kind of people around us, our intellect, our IQ and EQ, on the basis of all those data, it actually processes that data, and that data is actually what it does. This data is actually the map of the world, not the territory. It actually our perception of the world. Like, for example, if I ask you to tell me about your city, so you should have a different perception about your city. But if I ask somebody else about the same city, it will have a different perceptions. If all the people in the world watch one movie at one time, everyone will have a different perception, a different idea about that movie. So what we do in the fight, what we do in argument, when we fight with each other, when we actually do the argument, we believe that our perception and our map of the world is right, and we try to impose that picture upon other individuals. And this is how we does it about it. And this is the same thing that anybody else can also do it. So maturity is that we should understand that we all must have a different picture of the world, a different perception of the world. And this diversity, this differenceness is very beautiful. This is how the world is beautiful.